In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with NBKC Bank Mobile in 2025. Opening a checking account online can be a straightforward process, especially when you've got the right guide. So let's get started. First things first, head over to your preferred web browser and search for NBKC Bank. You'll want to find their official website, so be on the lookout for the link that reads NBKC Award-Winning Online Bank and Mortgage Lender. Click on this link to proceed to their homepage. Once you land there, the next action you'll take is to locate and click on the Enroll option, which is prominently displayed on the site. This will kickstart the process of setting up your account. On the new page, you'll see an option labeled Personal. Click on this to continue. Now you'll be required to enter some personal information. NBKC Bank needs this data to verify your identity and ensure a smooth enrollment. Starting with your social security number, type this in carefully. Remember, ensuring it's correct is crucial as errors might cause delays. Following this, enter your last name. Make sure it's exactly as it appears on your legal documents. Accuracy here is key. Next, you'll type in your zip code. This helps the bank to locate your region and is part of verifying your personal details. After that, you'll need to input your date of birth. Most online systems will format this as month, day, and year, so take a moment to ensure you're entering it correctly to avoid unnecessary hiccups. Now, it's time to choose a desired login ID. This will be your unique identifier when accessing your account online. So choose something memorable, but also secure. An important tip is to avoid using easily guessable phrases like your name or birth date. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Continue to move to the next step. This will take you to a new page where NBKC will likely ask you to review your information for accuracy. Take this opportunity to double-check everything before submitting. If everything looks correct, proceed by following any additional instructions that NBKC provides. They might need further verification or offer you a selection of account types, so follow their guidance closely. At this point, you've set the foundational steps for opening your account. And there you have it. You've just completed the essential steps to open a checking account with NBKC Bank online. Remember, opening a bank account is an important step for managing your finances, so feel free to reach out to NBKC support if you encounter any issues or need further clarification at any point. Thanks for following along and enjoy managing your new account.